Hey, Jeff Tech here with the beans. We've got Agent Fluff and we've got Agent Gnarl. And today we are working on a 2009 Boulevard M90. We're just going to take these 14 millimeters. Already broke them loose. Couple bolts. And I love changing brakes on motorcycles and scooters. It's got to be one of the easiest things. And see, that's the problem. Okay, the brake popped off. We're not even going to change. We don't even have to change this. The brake popped off and it got on the inside of the caliper. I understand now. Alrighty, I'll push this back here. Alright, so yeah, these pads are fine. This just got on the inside of the caliper. It was probably my bad. But there we go. There we go. So yeah. We don't even have to change. I thought I changed the brakes on this thing before. But if we were going to change the brakes, you just take out this little doodad here, and then the brakes pop right in there like Bob's your uncle. Just take that little pin out. It's got a C-clip or a little pin right here. Take that pin out, slide this out, pop your brakes, and Bob is your proverbial uncle. Now we're back in the money. Yeah, I thought I changed these brakes last year, and I did. Just gotta line up those threads on the inside. Line up. There we go. Come on. Okie dokie. Yeah. Simple. Simple. Easy for the dogs. It's an easy one for the DOGs. Dogs. It's an easy one for the DOGs. Okay. Yeah. That was my bad. The caliper must have slid on the inside of that. Okay. Yeah. That was my bad. The caliper must have slid on the inside of that. And it was grinding on them. Pump it up. And it's not grinding. Cool. Then, real quickly, I'm going to change this pillion. Okay. Got the Makita impact. Pop this one off. Yeah. Pop that one off. Put it up here on the shelf. And we're gonna put the original cover back on there. Let's wipe it down. Here we go. It's all dirty back here. Little dust, little road dust. Never hurt anybody, but might as well wipe it down for a fella. And then this slides in on the back. Pull it forward a little bit. Hit the thing. What? Two. Put the 10 back on, and we are just about done, son. I got the captain's seat down in front. All right, RTG. This is a big old bike. Fuel injected. Yeah. All right. Yeah, good to go. Good to go. Alright, you guys, I'll see you next time on Jeff Tech Metal Garage, starring Tuffy and Marley, the Cheese.